Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add voice record in CapCut. Okay, so if you want to add voice record in CapCut, come and open your CapCut application. So when you open your CapCut application, let me take it back to the home page. This is how it will look at the home page. Okay, so come and tap on new project, then import the video you want to edit. I'll import this video. Alright, so after importing the video you want to edit, what you want to do is very simple. Come and look for the audio section over here. As you can see, this video doesn't have any audio in it. Alright, so I look for the audio section, which is here. Alright, so when you look for the audio section, you see the record here, which has a mic on it. So you tap on that, then you tap on this to record. So let me record something. I'll just tap on this. Alright, in 1 second. Alright, so after recording, I just tap and save. Okay, so I am done recording, so I just come and tap on this tick here. Alright, so recording has been saved. So let me play my video. As you can see here, it is showing voice record or voice over 1. Okay, so this is my recorded voice I'll put in this video. So let me play it so that you can hear. Hello, how are you guys? Thank you for watching. Alright, I hope you've heard. So that's how to record a video, or that's how to record audio or your voice in CapCut videos. Okay, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.